In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Hytale on PC and laptop. Start by going to the Hytale website. I'll include a link in the description. Head to the top, then click the Register button. If you have a Hytale account already, then choose to log in instead. Go back down and check the box to verify you are human. Choose how you want to sign up, then follow the steps to make your Hytale account. You may need to verify your email to create an account. Once done, go to the top menu and select Download. Head down and click the Download button, or go down a bit further to get the correct version for your operating system. Open the Download Manager, then choose to Show in Folder or Open File Location. Double-click on the Hytale installer file to begin the installation process. When asked to allow Hytale to make changes, click Yes. Click Next to begin installing. If you want to change where you install the Hytale launcher to, then click the Browse button and choose a new folder. I'll just be using the default location. Click Next. If you want to change where the Hytale game downloads to, then click the Browse button and choose a new location. Again, I'll be using the default location. Click Install, then wait for Hytale to download and install it on your computer. Click Next when done. Then click Finish and the Hytale launcher will open. If asked to allow changes again, click Yes. Go back to the Hytale website, then click the Purchase button. Choose to purchase the version of Hytale you want. Then click the I Understand button and complete the process to purchase Hytale. Once done, you will be able to set your username. Go back to the Hytale launcher and click the Sign In button, then follow the process to sign into your Hytale account. You may need to verify with your email. Read the agreement, then click the Accept button. Click the Install button, then wait for Hytale to install. Once done, click the Play button, and you now know how to download Hytale on PC and laptop. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.